Hello children, today's lesson landforms of Andhra Pradesh. Lands which we live is not uniform. At some places it raises high to form hills and mountains with steep slopes. In some places it may be low and flat. This is known as the relief feature of a region. There are three types of landforms, Nana. One are the plateaus. These are plateaus. The other one is the plains. These are plains. And the third one are the mountains. So when earth was formed, these three types of landforms formed. Okay, and these all formed in a natural way. They didn't form they were not human made, they were naturally made. Okay, now let us go further. Mountains are very high and they have steep slopes with very little flat land on them. YSR Kadapa, Chittoor, Kurnool and Vizianagaram districts have stretches of hilly terrain, which we can see as pockets of scattered hills. These are Seshachalam Hills and Papikondalu Hills of Velikonda and Nallamalai ranges. Seshachalam Hills, Papikonda and Nallamala Forest. Okay. So, mostly the areas near YSR Kadapa, Chittoor, Kurnool and Vizianagaram districts, they have heavy stretches of hilly terrain, which we can see as pockets of scattered hills. And akkada koncham hills kanpadtayi. We find lot of hills in them. Okay, and among them the famous are the Seshachalam Hills, Papikondalu Hills and Nallamalai ranges. Now let us see further. Seshachalam Hills. The Seshachalam Hills are hilly ranges, part of Eastern Ghats in South Andhra Pradesh state in southeastern India. This is the image of Seshachalam Hills. Pennur River flows through Seshachalam Hills, Nana. This is Pennur River. Can you see this image, Amma? This is Pennur River, which is flowing among the Seshachalam Hills. Now, the next one is Papikondalu Hills. The Papi Hills are located in the border confluence of Khammam district in Telangana and East Godavari and West Godavari districts of Andhra Pradesh in India. River Godavari flows through these hills and it is a famous tourism spot in Andhra Pradesh. See how beautiful that image is. This is a boat drive actually. And this is how the hills look. Okay. And see, two hills. Papi Kondalu antaru వీటిని. ఇదొక కొండ, ఇదొక కొండ, ఇదొక కొండ. And in this image you see Godavari River forming a valley and flowing among the hills there. Okay. So let us go further. Now next comes the Nallamala Hills. The Nallamalas, also called as Nallamala Range, are a section of the Eastern Ghats which forms the eastern boundary of Rayalaseema region of the state of Andhra Pradesh and Mahbubnagar, Nalgonda districts of state of Telangana in India. అంటే వాటి బౌండరీస్ ఏంటంటే రాయలసీమకి బౌండరీ ఫామ్ చేస్తుంది, మన తెలంగాణకి రాయలసీమకి మధ్యలో నల్గొండ డిస్ట్రిక్ట్స్కి మధ్యలో this one forms as a boundary, and they run in a nearly north-south alignment parallel to the Coromandel coast for close to 430 kilometers between rivers Krishna and Pennar. See, this is Nallamala forest, Amma. How beautiful it is, no? See, during afternoon time. And this is near Srisalem. Okay. So, Nallamala forest also, ranges also, hills also are a section of the Eastern Ghats, Amma. And they found the boundary of Rayalaseema region for Andhra Pradesh and Mahbubnagar, Nalgonda districts for Telangana. Okay, and they run up to 430 kilometers, Amma. And rivers Krishna and Pennar flow towards this region. Okay, Nana. Next landform is plateaus. Plateaus are also high lands, Amma, but they have more flat lands with some hills in between them. The landscape is uneven with ups and downs, but they are also not as steep as mountains. అంటే మౌంటైన్స్లో ఏంటంటే మీకు బాగా స్టీప్గా ఉంటుంది, ప్లాట్యూస్లో ఏంటంటే స్టీప్గా ఉండదు, ఇట్ ఈస్ ఫ్లాట్. Large portions of Telangana and Rayalaseema fall in plateau region. Large parts of Telangana and Rayalaseema fall in a plateau region. And most of the parts are plateau region landform. Okay, they are part of Deccan Plateau. Okay, the plateaus what we are having in Andhra Pradesh, they are a part of Deccan Plateau. Even Hyderabad and Secunderabad are also located in this plateau. అందుకని చూడండి, when you go to Hyderabad, they say Hyderabad was once upon a time mountains. Now people have developed this city so nicely. That's why Banjara Hills, such names are there for it. Okay, and this is how actually a plateau looks. This is Gandikota near Rayalaseema. Gandikota near Kadapa district, Amma. This one, this image. Okay, this image. Right, now let us go further. Plains. What are plains? Plains are level lands with very gentle slopes. Andhra Pradesh has several districts in plains. These plains are called East Coastal Plains. They are on the eastern side of India and on the coast of Bay of Bengal. These plains are very fertile and more habitable. Habitable means people can reside in those areas. Cities like Nellore, Machilipatnam, Visakhapatnam, Kakinada, Srikakulam are located here. River Krishna and Godavari flow from the Western Ghats and empty into the sea after forming a large delta. So this is the delta region of AP Nana. Now what is a delta? Before joining the sea, a river divides into large streams, Amma. Before joining a sea, a river divides into large streams, and then it deposits lots of sand and silt in the area which forms a delta. That large deposits of sand and silt in that area is called a delta, Amma. And these deltas are very, what you say, fertile in land, and usually they are in a triangle form. And how do they become fertile? Every year, the flood water of the river brings with them silt laden with humus and deposit it on the flooded area. What is humus? Humus means they are the plants. They are the plants, decayed leaves. Okay. Now, decayed plants and leaves are very good manure to the soil. So, because of this, the floods enrich the soil of the delta every year. This is the image of Krishna Godavari delta, and mostly it is in a triangle form, Nana. Okay. Now you have learned in this video that there are three types of landforms. They are plateaus, and they are plains, they are deltas, right? Plateaus, plains, and deltas. And now in this three, you have also learned about the major plateaus, mountains. Sorry, you have learned about the major mountains, and you have also learned about what are plateaus and what are the rivers flowing in these plateaus. Okay, and many mountain ranges of what you say, Papikundalu, Seshachalam, Nallamalai forest. These three you have been introduced for. Okay. And we have also introduced about what are plateaus, and we have also introduced to you what are plains. Okay. And we have also explained to you what are deltas and what are the major rivers that are flowing in these deltas. Now you have a small activity work which you are supposed to do, Amma. Name the main rivers that flow through the plains of Andhra Pradesh. And what lies to the east of these plains? What lies to the east of these plains? Now for this you have to take a map, physical map of Andhra Pradesh. Okay. And what districts come under Krishna and Godavari deltas? You should write the names of those districts. Name two main cities from where the main deltas begin. From where the main deltas begin. and find out the names of at least two rivers that join the Krishna river. Okay, and there are two large dams on the river Krishna Amma. You have to tell their names and you have to find out their location. And in which districts are Nallamalai Hills, the Velikonda Hills, and Bison Hills situated. Okay, so this is your homework. You have to write down the answers and put as WhatsApp images to your teacher in the group. Okay, and the answers we will be giving you in the next week. Okay, Nana, along with the images, right? Thank you very much, Nana. Stay home, stay safe, and listen to your parents. See, every day we are sending only one video. So, one subject per day also, if you study, you will be in touch with your subject, Amma. Understand? And books are being given, so you can come and collect them. Okay, Nana? And I want you people to be good children at your house and listen to what your parents tell you. You are not supposed to make noise and get them irritated. Okay, you all are my good children now. So I want you people to be very, very good children and follow the videos properly. Okay, ma? Thank you very much. Have a nice day. Next week we are going to send you the answers of this activity along with their images if there are any. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day, Nana.